Imagine investing in a market index that has survived the Great Depression, world wars, and countless financial crises, and yet it remains a global benchmark for success. Curious to know what makes the Dow Jones Industrial Average the cornerstone of the stock market world? Stay tuned, because this video will break it all down for you in simple terms that anyone can understand. Welcome back to Invest Vision Hub, where we make the world of investing simple and exciting. Today, we're diving into one of the most famous stock market indexes in the world, the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Whether you're new to investing or looking to enhance your understanding, this video is for you. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, or simply the Dow, is one of the oldest and most watched stock market indexes. But what is it really? It's a collection of 30 large, publicly traded companies in the United States, chosen to represent the broader economy. Think of it as a snapshot of how some of the biggest players in American business are performing. From tech giants like Apple to financial titans like Goldman Sachs, the Dow includes companies across various industries. But unlike other indexes, the Dow is price-weighted. This means companies with higher stock prices have more influence on the index's movement, which is a little different from market cap-weighted indexes like the S&P 500. You might wonder, why is the Dow so important? For starters, it's seen as a barometer of the U.S. economy. When the Dow goes up, it usually signals that investors are optimistic. When it drops, it often means there's worry in the market. The Dow has been around since 1896, surviving through some of the toughest economic times. It's a symbol of resilience and adaptability. But here's the catch: while it's widely followed, it's not perfect. Its price-weighted nature and limited number of companies mean it doesn't capture the full scope of the market. That's why investors also look at other indexes like the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq. So, how does this help you as an investor? The Dow can give you a quick snapshot of market sentiment. For instance, if the Dow is rising, it might be a good time to explore investment opportunities. If it's falling, it could be a signal to reassess your strategy or look for buying opportunities. However, remember that the Dow is just one tool in your investment toolbox. Always diversify your research and look at other data points before making decisions. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is more than just numbers. It's a story of the American economy, past, present, and future. By understanding its role and limitations, you'll be better equipped to navigate the stock market with confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Invest Vision Hub, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our investment insights. Leave a comment below if you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, happy investing.